It's not easy to get colleagues on board with digital workplace change. The digital workplace is evolving at lightning speed. So how do you make sure your colleagues keep up with all these changes? Because the truth is, colleagues might not see the value of new changes, have had bad experiences with previous changes, stick to old habits, or simply not realize a change has happened and therefore miss out on productivity gains. That's a shame, because not only do IT projects become less successful, but workplace productivity also takes a hit when colleagues aren't engaged. So, how do you solve this? You could organize training sessions, but it's hard to perfectly match them to the needs and skill levels of all your colleagues. Then there's the cost of training itself, not to mention the time investment. Every hour spent on training is an hour not spent on other work. Another option is to make information available on SharePoint or your intranet. But that content isn't proactively pushed to colleagues, and it's not personalized. Email might seem like the logical choice to reach the right people, but colleagues already receive an overwhelming amount of email. In short, this is a tricky situation. Ideally, you need something that proactively reaches everyone, sends the right message to the right audience, is cost efficient, and provides a central place for colleagues to keep up with digital changes. This is exactly why we created WorkplaceBuddy. In addition to a large library of Microsoft 365 videos that colleagues can access at any time, we developed our WAVE method. With this approach, you can proactively reach every colleague with targeted, effective video nudges. And that works, not just for you, but especially for your colleagues. It ensures everyone quickly catches up and smoothly embraces digital change. Finally, for the smaller group that still prefers personal guidance, we also offer training on demand. It may be a different approach than you're used to. If you're curious where your organization currently stands with adoption and whether our waves can help you move forward, then be sure to try our free adoption check. Who knows, maybe we'll be speaking soon.
This is the way. Like this video. Subscribe, you must. Follow WorkplaceBuddy on LinkedIn or face the dark side of Microsoft 365 adoption.